What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we are in Doncaster. It's Tuesday and we are picking up the Fiat Panda. I was late to pay for the car, so I've got a £30 charge. It's extortion. It is what it is. Car's coming out now, guys, so let me flip the camera around. Have a look at this bad boy. Look at that. Nice. Look at this little banger. Guys, I'm gonna go get this car parked up somewhere and then we can do a little walk around. Let's see if it starts though. Right guys, let's see if this car starts. Make sure it's in neutral, which it is. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. We got some dash. Yes, electric windows, that's alright. Most Fiats do anyways. Oh shit, door one. Guys, this is a silly one, man. Sometimes I wonder why I do what I do, but I've done it anyways. We got one good thing on our side. That there has got some fuel. Low mileage, 54k. There's some money in this one. Let's get on the move. I'm gonna start driving, guys, so I will need to make a move. I've got a 4-hour journey. I ain't hanging about. I'll continue the video when I can. Stay tuned. Peace. Right guys, I'm so lucky. I actually forgot my pump and I looked in the boot and they actually had one of these pumps, so I'm pretty lucky. But anyway, let's get this little pump up and down the move. Right guys, we've just picked up the Fiat Panda. Sorry, I'm a bit rushy. We've got a 4-hour journey and it's really windy outside. The car starts up fine. The door needs to be replaced, the wing needs to be replaced. However, the car is really tight. It's only got 54,000, just say 55,000 on the clock. Really tidy car inside and out. I did have a flat wheel, and as you've seen, I had to manage to pump my wheel. I need to go Tesco's because for some reason Fiats tend to have no oil in them. I don't know why I forgot my oil. It's really annoying. I'm gonna need to find a Tesco, get some oil, make a move. The clutch feels a bit shitty on this one as well, so wish me luck. Right guys, I'm just in Asda, closest place to Doncaster car auction. So if you need some engine oil, make sure you check Asda because normally they got some for pretty cheap. Let's see what they got. Right, they got some engine oil, so I've been pretty lucky, man. Flat tire, well, not flat but low. Didn't bring my pump as I normally do, and they had one in the boot of the car, so pretty lucky with that. There we go. Car section galore here. That is some expensive oil, mate. Jesus Christ. Let me see what I need. Right guys, I managed to get some oil from Asda. As you see, I've just topped up the oil level. I will flip the camera around. This car was no oil on the dipstick. Let me flip the camera around and show you exactly what oil we got. It's looking nice and clean as well, so always check your oil on Fiats for some reason. There we go. Nice and clear. Nice and clear. So now we've got nice and clear oil. Nice and clear oil. Almost a full tank of fuel. Let's make our way home. 4 hours journey. Wish me luck. Right guys, we got about 2 hours 40 minutes for me to get back home. Car's taxed. It's driving alright. I have topped up some oil. I think I've done another 2 litres of oil. I don't know why Fiat seem to have no oil, but however the car is driving okay. I'm quite lucky. It did come with 3/4 of a tank full, so pretty lucky on that. I didn't have to top up, so there's a little bit of money saving. I have obviously had to pay a late charge for paying late, which was £30. So annoying. And obviously another price for oil. I mean, I got it from Asda. It was Asda oil, cheap stuff. However, it's going to get me home, and that's all that matters. So when I get home, I can do a nice little service on the car. It does come with some paperwork as well. Car is pretty clean. It's going to need a door because the door literally doesn't open. It's definitely going to need a door. It's definitely going to need a wing, and yeah, potentially a rear door as well. As you can hear, that's because the door doesn't close. It drives okay. I mean, we're still early. We got 2 hours 40 minutes, so wish me luck. And I'll do a walk around when I get there. Well, actually I won't, because it's saying by the time I get back, it's telling me I'm going to be getting back at 6:30. It's going to be pretty dark. If it's still light, I will do a walk around video of the car because I haven't done one. But yeah guys, so far so good. She's driving okay. Clutch feels a bit spongy, but it is okay. 54,000. Well, by the time we get back, we're probably going to be on around 50, just say 55,000 miles. Not bad at all, mate. Fiat Panda was, I think it's Fiat Panda Euro 5. Not sure what that means, but I'll have a look into that when I get back. Should make a tidy little profit on this, depending on how much work goes into it as well. Category N, of course. Yeah, full tank of fuel. That's it, mate. Right guys, as you can see, we got the Fiat Panda that I didn't finish the video the other day when I got back, so I decided to wait till the sun is shining and you know, do a proper video for you guys. Let's have a look at this car and I can run through the numbers, what this car's cost us and what we should be able to sell it for, including the parts I'm going to need to buy for it. So stay tuned, let's have a look at it. Right guys, I thought I'd sit inside the car because obviously it's a bit windy outside. Yeah, Fiat Panda. I didn't get to finish the video the other day obviously because it was pretty dark when I got back, and there's no point in obviously doing a video if you guys can't actually see what is wrong with the car. So it's a nice bright day today. As you can see, I've taken some good quality shots of the damage on the car and other bits of the car that, you know, you can actually see what sort of car we're dealing with. Car runs and drives amazing, by the way. It's an absolutely stunning car, to be honest. It's actually purchased from Piccadilly Fiat. So yeah, it's a London car, so London cars tend to not have any rust in them. However, let's move on to the damage on this. This is a category N car. The damage is just the door and a little bit on the wing, and I've got a quote to get this work done as well. A door is around 40-50 quid for one of these, and the guy's going to repair the wing rather than replace the wing. There's a few dents, so I'm going to get the dent guy to come and sort them out. And what else? Yeah, so just the door is going to need replacing, or yeah, replacing and potentially repainting if I can't find one in a white color. So stay tuned guys, I will look for a door and I will keep you guys updated on, you know, the progress that we have on this car. Once I get all the bits, we'll run through the numbers on this car, and we will obviously run through the numbers when the car is sorted out as well, and we will do a video of the car being listed and potentially hopefully getting sold. But for now, we've got some work to do with finding a door for it.